To add a Facebook feed to your website in Squarespace, start by opening your web browser and navigating to squarespace.com. Log into your account and select the website where you want to add the feed. Pause for a moment and visit a different website, Elf's site, where you can access the app's catalog. Once you've logged in, type Facebook into the search bar and select Facebook feed from the results. This will take you to a widget maker that simplifies the process of adding the feed to your Squarespace website. Choose a template that suits your needs. Options include small, medium, and large widgets, as well as various Facebook post templates. After selecting a template, click Continue with this template, and then Publish. You'll be given the option to use the free version, which will provide a link to paste into your Squarespace website. Copy this link, then return to your Squarespace website and click Edit. Select the Add Block option and choose Embed from the menu. Paste the link into the embed block, and the Facebook feed will be added to your website.